Question 17, Part A. Stall A and Stall B sold the same total number of burgers and sandwiches at a school carnival. Each burger cost $4.50 and each sandwich cost $2. Stall A sold some burgers and 64 sandwiches. Stall B sold some burgers and 96 sandwiches. Which stall collected more money? So the concept over here is that Stall A and Stall B sold the same number of burgers and sandwiches as well. So that means let's assume both stalls sold 100 total burgers and sandwiches. Why 100? Because stall B sold some burgers and 96 sandwiches. We need a number that is bigger than 6 and a easy number to use to multiply. Okay, so which means from here, stall A sold some burgers and 64 sandwiches. So stall A total is equal to 100. So stall A sandwiches is equal to 100. No, 64. And then stall A burgers is equal to 100 minus 64. And this will give us 36. So total money collected is equal to 36 times $4.50 plus, so this is the burgers. So sandwiches will be 64 times $2. And that will be a total of $290 for stall A. Total money collected. So now we're gonna do for stall B. So stall B over here will be 100. Sandwiches 96, burgers is 4. So if you were to do the stall B money collected, we'll just multiply. So burgers will be 4 times $4.50. Sandwiches will be 96 times $2, and then the total will be 210. Therefore, the difference in money collected will then be equal to 290 minus 210, and this will give us $80. Okay, pretty straightforward. So the thing is that, let's say we have a random number of 138 total for each stall. Do you think the difference is the same? 138 is a random number. So let's say stall A total is 138. Sandwiches is the same, but then stall A burgers would then be 138 minus 64, which is 74. That means stall A total money collected would then be equal to $461 if you were to calculate. Then if you were to do stall B total, then it's the same, right? Stall B total is always 96 for sandwiches. Total is 138. That means the burgers will be 42. So the total money collected will then be equal to $381. So stall B collected is 380 and then stall A collected is 460. Can you guess what's the difference? So earlier the difference will be 80. Do you think the difference will be 80 the same way? So let's find out. Difference is 460 minus $381 and this will be $80. Okay, so there you go. So you know what's the difference. So the difference is the same. So now we know which stall collected more money. So from here, I think it's pretty obvious. Obviously, stall A money more collected, right? All right, question 17, part B. So it says here the total mass of burgers and sandwiches sold at stall A was 8.32 kg. Each burger is 60 grams heavier than each sandwich. What is the total mass? Okay, so similar to what we went through just now, let's say each sandwich is 1 gram. So that means each sandwich is 1 gram and each burger is 61 grams, right? Now, if the total is 100, same thing as what we've done, that means, sandwiches 64, burgers is 36. So if we calculate the total mass of stall A is 2,260 grams. And then stall B as well, we'll do the same as what we've done earlier. We'll calculate the number of sandwiches and burgers. So stall B total mass will then be equal to 340 grams. That's what we see over here. Okay. So now the thing is, the difference in total mass between each stall A and stall B, will just be 2260 minus 340, which is 192 grams or 1.92 kilograms. So I see over here. So the thing is that, do you think the difference in total mass is the same with 138 total burgers and sandwiches? And we can just calculate again. So same thing, if total is 138, then stall A total is 138 minus 64, that the burgers and sandwiches. Then we can get the total mass again, which is equal to 4578. Then stall B, same thing. We will calculate the burgers and sandwiches and the mass as well. And this will give us 2658. Then if we calculate the difference in total mass, it will be 4578 minus 2658. And this will give us 1920 grams or 1.92 kilograms. The same as if it were to be 100 total. So now the thing is that since the difference is the same, if stall A is equal to 8.32 kilograms, that means stall B is equal to 8.32 minus 1.92. And this will give us 6.4 kilograms. So there you go. So no matter what, the difference will always be the same. You can always assume each sandwich to be, I would say, the smallest number, so you can like in a way calculate. So that's about it. All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more of this kind of video, subscribe down below and comment down what are the things you want me to show you next. In the next one, bye bye.